My hands are clean. I have washed them. Are your hands clean? If they are not, you go and quickly wash your hands and be ready for making the sandwiches. Yes? Your hands are clean. We need clean hands to make the sandwich. Yes. Okay. Now I have some slices of bread here. Now can anyone tell me what is the shape of a bread? Bread. That's the right answer. Very good. Can anyone tell me, name the color which you can see in a bread, children? Very good. It's white. At the edges, we have wow. At the edges, it is brown. Yes. So we have slices of bread, and then we have slices of onions. Yes. Can you name the color which we can see in the onions? What is the color of the slices? Yes. No one knows the color of the slice of onion. Anyone can answer. The slice of onion is white, isn't it? Okay. Now tell me what happens when we cut the onion. What happens when Mama cuts the onion? What comes from the eye? Yes, our eyes start watering. Okay, so now I have some slices of onion and I also have slices of cucumber. Cucumber. And cucumber is very cool. Cucumber is cool. And we always say, whenever we want to describe any cool object, we say it is cool as cucumber. It is cool as cucumber. Yes. And I have some more slices of tomatoes. Tomatoes. And can you tell me the color of the sliced tomato? Can anyone tell me the color? Red. That's right. Very good. And then I also have mashed potato. Mashed potato. How did I get this mashed potato? First, I took some potatoes and I put it in the cooker. I added some water. Then I closed the cooker and I kept it on the gas stove. And after some time, the potatoes started boiling and they got cooked. First, the potatoes were very hard and then they got cooked. Yes, and then I peeled the skin from the potatoes and then I mashed the potatoes. Now I've got the potatoes with me and I have the tomato sauce. Please remember all the things which go in to make a sandwich because I will be asking you some questions. Okay, you have to tell me what all goes in making a sandwich. Yes, so please pay attention. Tomato sauce. Tomato sauce. Then, please, those who are on, please don't, please mute your mic, others, please. So what all Regina ma'am is telling, others can also listen properly. Vedika, please mute your mic. Lakshita, please. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And then I have a slice of cheese. Cheese is my favorite. It's so yummy. Wow. So I have a slice of cheese. Now let's begin making the sandwich. So keep a plate ready and you take a slice of bread. First, you take a slice of bread and keep it on your plate. Keep it on your plate. See, I have a plate which is green and I'm going to place the sandwich, the slice of bread on my plate. Yes, this is the first step. Please follow the steps properly, children. Yes, then after this, you have to make the sandwich by yourself. Okay, so first you take a slice of bread, place it on the plate. Then what you're going to do is, you take the sliced onions and you place on the slice of bread. Don't put too many, children, just put few slices. See this round slice of onion, you just place it on the slice of bread this way. Okay. If you love onions, then you can put more. Now what we will do, we will take the mashed potato and we will put over this. Put the mashed potato over the onions, children. Put the mashed potato. Apply it nicely, gently on the bread. Gently. Potatoes are healthy, children. Gently apply the mashed potatoes on the onions there. Okay, children? Yes. Have you put the mashed potatoes over the slices of onions? I will wait for you, children. When you finish applying the potato, the mashed potato over it, just show me the thumb. Then I will go with the next step. Don't put more, children, just a little. Just a little. After that, after you have put the potato, then you take the sliced cucumber. And gently you place it over the mashed potato. See, the cucumbers are getting stuck to the potatoes. Wow. If you like the cucumber more, you can put some more slices. Cucumber tastes very good, children, and it is also very good for health. So you can put more and more, but let it not come outside. Now it is nicely stuck to the slice of bread. It is stuck to the layer of potato. Yes. Now what you can do, if you want, you can put little more mashed potato so that the tomatoes also will get stuck to it. Little more you can put. If you don't want to put, it's okay. You can put little more mashed potato to it. And now what you will do is, you will take the sliced tomatoes, and you will gently put over the mashed potato. So first we had a layer of sliced onions, then we applied little mashed potato, then we put cucumber on it, Then again we put little bit of mashed potato and then tomato. So the tomatoes won't fall off the slice of bread. It won't fall down. It will get stuck to the mashed potato. Yes. Isn't it looking great? Wow, I think your mouths are already watering. Now, what we need to do, I have mayonnaise sauce with me. If you have, you can apply it to the slice of bread. If you don't have, it's okay. See, this is a mayonnaise sauce which I have with me here. Mayonnaise sauce. It's very yummy. And I'm going to gently pour over it. Yes. Coming out. This gives the sandwich a good taste. You get mayonnaise in the burgers also, isn't it? Okay. So once you add the mayonnaise sauce to the slice of bread, you can gently spread it with a spoon. Spread it evenly on the slices of tomatoes. Slowly, slowly. And now the last ingredient which goes into this is the slice of cheese. Yes. Slice of cheese. And you will place it. You will place on this. You will place right on top of the mayonnaise sauce on the tomatoes. So you get layers of mashed potatoes and onions and cucumber and tomato and mayonnaise sauce and slice of cheese. Slice of cheese. If you want, you can sprinkle. Okay, that's all, children. This is the last thing. Now you have to take another slice of bread. See, take a slice of bread. And place it gently over the slice of cheese. Yes. And the yummy sandwich is ready. And if you want to make a little decorative, take the sauce. And you can make 2 eyes for it and a smiley. So it becomes very tempting. Can you see my sandwich? Oh, wow. Just a minute, huh? It's got those wonderful eyes and yummy mouth. And it's looking so delicious. Yes. And your sandwich is ready. And I want to see you all enjoying it. You can start eating, children. Wow. I want to see your happy faces.
Anna is ready.
Yes, Anay, you can start eating your sandwich.
Durvang, very good.
And
Durvang.
tell me how it tastes.
Sanvika, good.
Darshit, very good.
Wow,
Raghuveer, done. Very nicely done.
Samrant, wow, good job. Very good, Janme. Very good, Rajvardhan. Darshit, Durvang, Ezra, I can see. Joshua, Vedika, Durvang.
Charvi, wow, very well done, Charvi. Nice smiley.
Very good, Tanush.
Oh, Dhanvin is having.
Dansit,
Is it yummy? How is it? Do you like it?
Dansit.
It's so yummy, mouth watering.
Very good, Rishik. Wow.